This used to be a quiet neighborhood.
I'm telling you, it's been 20 minutes. 20 minutes of this zipping and thwipping. There's no peace, there's no quiet. It's just,
Hey, yo, can you chill? I'm sick of these YNs.
hey, pajama guy. So that stringy stuff, you gotta show me how you do that. Okay, Bigfoot, it's all in the wrist. Nice and fluid. Think less smashing a fly, more gentle flick of a light switch.
Oh, shit!
What the fuck is that?
Who's worthy now, bitch?
Well, now, my first Asgardian feast will be godly. Just kidding, it's Spider-Man.